The Bermuda Triangle. A name that evokes mystery, speculation, and for many, fear. But what's really going on in this region of the Atlantic Ocean? Today, we'll explore the facts, not the fiction, behind one of the world's most talked about maritime regions. The Bermuda Triangle is a loosely defined area in the western North Atlantic Ocean. It's typically marked by 3 points: Miami, Florida, San Juan, Puerto Rico, and the island of Bermuda. Together, they form a rough triangle that covers approximately 500,000 square miles of ocean. It's an area heavily traveled by commercial ships and aircraft, making any anomalies here especially noticeable. The idea of the Bermuda Triangle as a mysterious or dangerous place first gained traction in the mid-20th century. In 1950, a reporter named Edward Van Winkle Jones wrote an article about several ships and planes that had disappeared in the area. But it wasn't until 1964 that the term Bermuda Triangle became popular, thanks to writer Vincent Gaddis, who published a piece in Argosy magazine. He described a pattern of strange vanishings that seemed to defy logic and weather conditions. Over the decades, numerous incidents have been linked to the Bermuda Triangle. One of the most well-known is Flight 19, a group of 5 U.S. Navy bombers that disappeared in December 1945 during a training mission. A rescue plane sent to find them also vanished. Other cases include the USS Cyclops in 1918, a massive naval vessel with 309 crew members that disappeared without a trace. While these stories are compelling, there are also many scientific explanations for what happens in the Bermuda Triangle. Some include sudden weather changes. The area is known for fast developing storms and rogue waves. Magnetic anomalies. Some claim compass readings behave strangely here, but the US government disputes this. Human error. A majority of maritime accidents globally are due to misjudgment, fatigue, or equipment failure. Methane hydrate eruptions. Trapped gas beneath the ocean floor could, in theory, reduce water density and sink ships. However, there's little recent evidence of this playing a significant role in modern incidents. The Bermuda Triangle sits along major air and sea routes, meaning more traffic, and naturally, more accidents. According to the U.S. Coast Guard and other official agencies, the number of incidents here is not statistically higher than in other heavily traveled parts of the ocean. In fact, many stories attributed to the Bermuda Triangle are based on incomplete records, misreporting, or even fiction. The mystery of the Bermuda Triangle may never completely disappear. But as we examine it more closely, the facts paint a clearer picture, not of supernatural forces, but of a complex and often misunderstood part of our planet. Sometimes, the real story is even more fascinating than the myth.